Here's a comparison of the top 3 video doorbells: Ring Battery Doorbell Pro, Eufy Video Doorbell E340, battery-powered, and Google Nest Doorbell, battery, based on their features, performance, and value as of March 2025. I'll evaluate them across key criteria like video quality, smart features, installation, cost, and ecosystem compatibility, then crown the best overall. Video quality. The Ring Battery Doorbell Pro offers a standout 1536 PHD resolution with a 150 degrees by 150 degrees field of view, delivering crisp, colorful footage day and night, enhanced by radar-based 3D motion detection. Its head-to-toe view ensures you see visitors and packages clearly. The Eufy E340 counters with a dual camera setup, a 2K top camera for faces, and a 1080p bottom camera for packages, providing unmatched clarity for porch monitoring. Its 4:3 aspect ratio beats Ring's square view for vertical coverage. The Google Nest Doorbell sticks to 1080p with HDR and a 145-degree view, solid but less sharp than its rivals, though its night vision holds up well. Winner: Eufy E340 for its dual camera versatility and higher peak resolution. Smart features. Ring's Pro model shines with bird's eye view, aerial tracking, and precise motion zones, integrating seamlessly with Alexa and offering quick, reliable alerts. It requires a $3 a month Ring Protect subscription for recording, though live viewing is free. Eufy's AI detects people and packages without a subscription, storing 90 days of clips locally, 8 gigabits built in, a huge plus for privacy buffs. It lacks Ring's advanced tracking, but nails the basics. Google Nest leverages superior AI, identifying people, animals, vehicles, and packages, with 3 hours of free event recording and optional Nest Aware, $8 a month, for face recognition. Its alerts are spot on, especially in the Google Home ecosystem. Winner: Google Nest for its free smart detection and AI edge. Installation and power. All 3 are battery-powered with optional wiring. Ring's battery lasts 6-12 months, with easy recharging but no local storage option. Eufy's removable battery pairs with a base station for offline use, adding flexibility, though setup takes slightly longer. Nest's battery matches Ring's lifespan, and its wired option is straightforward, appealing to Google fans. Winner: tie. Each excels depending on your setup preference. Cost and value. Ring's $229.99 price is steep, and the subscription pushes long-term costs higher, but its features justify it for tech enthusiasts. Eufy's $179.99 upfront cost, with no mandatory fees, offers the best value for budget-conscious users. Nest's $179.99 price includes free recording, striking a middle ground, though full features require a subscription. Winner: Eufy E340 for its no-fee savings. Ecosystem compatibility. Ring thrives with Alexa and some third-party platforms. Eufy supports Alexa and Google Assistant, but lacks deep integration, and Nest is tailor-made for Google Home users with limited crossover elsewhere. Winner: depends on your setup. Ring for Alexa, Nest for Google. Overall rating and best pick. Ring Battery Doorbell Pro 9 out of 10, premium tech but costly. Eufy Video Doorbell E340 9.5 out of 10, best value and privacy. Google Nest Doorbell 8.5 out of 10, smartest for Google households. Best overall, the Eufy Video Doorbell E340 edges out the competition. Its dual camera clarity, free local storage, and no subscription model deliver exceptional performance and value, making it ideal for most users seeking a balance of quality, cost, and independence. Thanks for watching the video, and all of the product links are listed below.